You watch the first video and learn how to start trading, but most beginners still lose money in the first 3 months. Today I'll show you why almost every trader fails and exactly what you must focus on to actually survive and make profits. Stay till the end because what I am going to share in this video can change everything. Most people believe a good strategy makes profit. Indicators is equal to profit. If I memorize techniques, I'll win. But trading is not about memorizing tools. It's about thinking like the market, not chasing indicators. If you don't understand this, you will keep losing even if your strategy is good. Almost every new trader does these mistakes, but the question is, what are the mistakes? So I'll tell you what are the main mistakes. Mistake number 1, wrong starting mindset. Beginners think, show me entries, where do I buy, teach me the secret, but the real market doesn't care about the secrets, it cares about risk, psychology and consistency. 99% of traders think the market owns their profits. That mindset alone is why they lose. Mistake number 2, too many indicators. Beginners add RSI, MACD, moving average, Bollinger Bands, X colors and signals. You think more signals, better accuracy, but all those tools, they distract you, they lag you, they confuse you. Professional traders use clean charts and logic, not noise. Let me pause here. If you are still watching, you are not just curious, you want results. And good, because what I am about to show you next will flip your mindset. Mistake number 3, ignoring risk management. People doesn't lose because they pick bad levels, they lose because they risk too much. For example, if you risk 20% per trade, a 3 loss streak destroys your account. But if your risk is 1% per trade, you can take 10 losses and still grow. The market doesn't care about your feelings, it only cares about your risk discipline. Psychology, the real market. Your emotions control your cursor. After a win, overconfidence. After a loss, fear. Both make you break your own rules. Your strategy doesn't lose money. Your emotions do. This truth keeps most new traders stuck. Mistake number 4, no trading plan. Trading is not entering wherever you feel like it. A real plan has entry rules, exit rules, risk per trade, profit targets, review process. If you trade without a plan, you are gambling. There is no magic signal. Your real edge comes from risk control, discipline and consistency. Not more indicators, not hype, not tips. Money doesn't come from the market, it comes from your behavior. Here are the 7 rules every beginner must follow. Never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. Never trade without a plan. Use stop loss in every trade. Learn to manage losing streaks. Track every trade in a journal. Master one time frame first. Cut losses early. Let winners run. If this video was helpful for you, then like this video, subscribe if you want real education, not hype. Comment below rule number 1, I'm ready to trade seriously. Your comments tell me you are serious and I'll make more videos like this. Till then, bye bye.